Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. ស្វាគមន៍ ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើកាទៀវស្រស់ I will be making rice noodle. I will show you guys how to make this beautiful fresh rice noodle. The ingredients that you will need, you don't throw masala telur mi, this tapioca, rice flour, masala sai, hay yang throwទឹក ហើយបើគ្រឿងសំវិញ you will need bean sprout សណ្តែកបណ្ដោះ cilantro, green onion, and this sawtooth mint ហើយយើងត្រូវការជីនេះសណ្តែកបណ្ដោះត្រូវការមាន់ក្រហម brown chicken. This is a fish meatball with stuffing. នេះគឺប្រហិតត្រី meatball ប្រហិតគោ This is beef meatball. You need shrimp, បង្គា ឆៃប៉ូ sweet radish, yellow onions ខ្ទឹមប្រាំង ហើយទឹកនេះសម្រាប់ធ្វើម្សៅយើង First, I'm going to show you how to make the noodle, the fresh noodle. មុនដំបូងយើងនឹងធ្វើម្សៅយើងណាម្សៅកញ្ចប់ You can use the whole bag of the tapioca. យើងប្រើមកកញ្ចប់ទាំងអស់ហ្នឹង And as for the rice flour, you're only using half. យើងប្រើតែកន្លះបានហើយម្សៅសាយយើងនេះ just half. Haiយើងនឹងលាយទឹក warm water. Mix it. So you're going to knead your dough until it's become sticky like this. យើងច្របល់ម្សៅយើងណាឲ្យវារាងឡើងដូចអញ្ចឹងឯងយើងយកប្រេង Okay, you can get some oil. You're gonna put it on your cutting board. Okay, ដាក់ឲ្យស្អាតណា and then you're gonna put some on your rolling pin. ដាក់ប្រេងឲ្យវាហ្នឹងណា Okay, not always chop. Okay, you must. Okay, you can take a piece of the flour. You're gonna knead it. Knead it a little bit. Okay. Then you're gonna take your rolling pin and just roll it. Just roll it. It's nice and smooth like that. Okay. And then you probably want to wet with oil a little bit more. Okay, you're just gonna roll it out. Okay. So thinly. Okay, just like that. Wet a little bit too, so it doesn't stick to your thing. Okay, and you just cut it how you want it to be. You know, you just like that. Okay, and you just pull it out like this. Okay, just be careful. And you're gonna put in your flour. See, just like that. Now you got your homemade noodle like that. There you go. That's how you make flour. See? Yeah. Slowly. Like that. There you go. Very easy. Okay, now our chicken is done. Careful. go. Okay, and then this one soup dương thêm tôm rang you're gonna add in your onions and you're gonna add in your sweet radish. Okay, you're gonna add in more water. Okay, you're gonna fill all the way to the top. Okay, now I'm gonna cook my shrimp in here so I have the shrimp flavor. So for kia na oi bên chịu kia. Just want a little bit done. It's big size, pretty good size right here. To cook because it's going to be still cooking. And I'm just going to put it in here. So leave that on the side. Now I'm going to put in some meatball, just half. So you have all the flavor of that. And then you add me some of these delicious fish meatball with the egg, fish egg. Means snow pong tray. Just put some of that. Don't put too much, okay? Okay, now I'm gonna add in the ingredients to all this. So I'm gonna start with my fish sauce. Some sugar. This is my sugar. So I'm just gonna add about this much of sugar. Sugar. And some salt. Got me a brand new salt today. Just a little salt. That much. Okay. And then you're just gonna taste it to your flavor. I'm gonna add me some. This is fried garlic. Once your chicken cool down, just go ahead and shred it. Nhưng mà con bẻ sẵn món á, đã cho mùi tiêu dừng. Okay. Chọn lấy đã cho súp á. Oh, look at that. Oh, hold that. Fire plug đấy. Hello, súp yến chỗ này. Okay. Nhưng anh nuôi hai manati topi niti chứ na. Talk for about 1 minute or 2 minutes. 1 to 2 minutes. So while you're waiting on, get some bean sprout and chicken and shrimp. So while you're waiting, get that ready. So let it cook for about 1 minute. So when it's floating up like that, it's about to be done. Okay, so it's good. Come over here. Pour some of these delicious fish meatball. Đặt pong tray, cái hạt tray á. Tính nhá. Cái chảo tí nữa, hấp tự chanh. Okay. Yummy. Hey, a lot of it come I'm about to eat. Give me some green onions, some cilantro, some sutar, some sriracha, some soybean, fermented soybean that xiang, that you trong yam xiang, which ma. Okay, hai tomate. Okay, go với nó nè. Yummy. Okay. Okay, nhâm mỡ xanh. Look at that. Oh, fresh noodle. Yeah, baby. Ngon. Nè, buông thầy.
How was it, Juliana?
It's delicious.
You see how you eat?
Over here.
Oh.
Buông thầy ạ.ผัดthầy, miên buông. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay.
How was it, Angie? Good? Do your thumb.
Okay. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. សូមអរគុណច្រើនបើចូលចិត្តសូមជួយចុច like មួយហើយ subscribe មកហើយចាំជួបគ្នានៅសប្តាហ៍ក្រោយទៀតអូខេលាហើយ